What is continuing professional development, also known as CPD? RICS defines CPD as a commitment for people who are chartered or going through the process of becoming chartered to continually update their skills and knowledge in order to remain professionally competent. It acts as a tool for members to stay up to date in a constantly changing environment, for example, new legislation. RICS goes on to state that CPD is a highly beneficial career tool if it is planned and managed in the right way. It can be used to strengthen the member's business skills and to acquire new skills/specialisms. So what are the requirements? Well, this varies depending on the chartership institution. At the time of making this video, RICS requires members to undertake a minimum of 20 hours CPD each calendar year. Of the 20 hours, 10 must be formal. This number increases for members going through the process of becoming chartered. For example, all APC candidates are required to complete a minimum of 48 hours CPD every 12 months. Similarly, half of which must be formal. You might be now thinking, what's the difference between formal and informal CPD? Informal CPD is defined by RICS as any self-managed learning that is relevant or related to a member's professional role. This can include activities such as private study, on-the-job training, or attendance at informal seminars or events where the focus is on knowledge sharing. Formal CPD can be any form of structured learning that has clear learning objectives and outcomes, such as a professional course or structured online training. It could also be learning that includes an assessment measure. Informal CPD is more flexible and can be achieved through on-the-job training. Formal CPD requires you to go a step further. This might seem daunting, as it requires your time outside of your day job. It can be costly and time-consuming. However, don't let this put you off. Here at Metroun, we have a solution. Metroun Learning is an online education platform specific to quantity surveyors, which can satisfy all your formal CPD needs. At the time of making this video, we offer over 30 hours of formal CPD with new courses added each month. Although all courses amass to 30 hours of formal CPD, each individual course has been engineered so it can be completed during your lunch break. This can save you time, money, and reduce your carbon footprint. Metroun Learning will not only satisfy your formal CPD needs, but you'll also gain access to the QS Dictionary, industry-ready templates, Metroun AI, and a variety of construction conversion calculators. To join Metroun Learning, simply go to www.metroun.co.uk. Metroun, a commercial hub for your business.